Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hi, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you an amazing hair growth treatment. The treatment is great for hydrating and moisturizing your dry and dusty hair strands and softening them. The treatment will also help thicken your hair, prevent unnecessary shedding and breakage. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and join the family by subscribing to my channel. Let's get into it. The first ingredient we're going to be having for the video is flaxseed. So I'm going to transfer the amount of flaxseed I'll be using in this bowl. The type of flaxseed I'm using is brown. Usually there are two types. There is brown flaxseed and golden flaxseed. The difference between the two is that brown flaxseed has more antioxidants and fatty acids as compared to golden flaxseeds. You can use any type you have as well. Flax seeds are a rich source of omega-3 fatty acids, vitamin E, and protein. The protein is responsible for making your hair grow stronger and healthier at a faster rate. The fatty acids are responsible for helping your hair stay nourished and preventing it from damage and breakage. The vitamin E present in flaxseed plays a major role in reducing hair damage and combating free radicals, reducing scalp inflammation, and increasing elasticity in the hair. So I'm just going to go ahead and transfer 3 tablespoons of flaxseed to a pot. You can use any amount you want depending on the length and the volume of your hair. Then after adding the flaxseed, I'm going to keep it aside and move to the next ingredient. Moving on to our next ingredient, we're going to be having rice. So the rice is white. If you have any other type of rice, you can use as well. Rice contains many vitamins and minerals such as amino acids, vitamin B, vitamin E, and antioxidants. The amino acids present in rice helps to strengthen the hair from the roots and helps in regeneration of hair, hence promoting a faster hair growth. Rice helps to thicken and make hair shiner. It also helps to soften the hair and minimize the appearance of split ends. So I'm going to be using rice flour, and I'm just going to put 1 cup of rice into my small blender here, and then I'm going to go ahead and grind it into flour. You can also decide to use it like that. The choice is yours. So this is the rice flour. I'm just going to add 3 tablespoons into the pot. I will add 1 cup of water and I will transfer the pot into a stove for cooking. I'll allow the ingredients to cook for about 10 to 15 minutes. So guys, if you are still watching this video at this point and yet you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing, and also please give this video a thumbs up if you're enjoying it. Moving on to our next ingredient, we have chebe powder. So guys, this is the second time I'm using chebe on my hair. To be honest, chebe does not encourage faster hair growth as compared to other ingredients. I haven't found any study proving that, so I'm not gonna lie to you, but it has other incredible benefits such as helping your hair stay moisturized for long. It improves hair texture by preventing breakage and encouraging thickness and improving curl definition. It also helps to condition textured hair by making the hair cuticle layer healthy. So if you have textured or kinky hair, chebe powder is amazing for improving your hair, softening it, and moisturizing your hair for long. Now I'm going to go ahead and add a spoonful of the powder into a bowl. Only 1 spoonful will be enough for me. You can also add 2 spoonfuls if you want. Now I'm adding just a few drops of water. I will stir until it dissolves completely. So I left the flaxseed and rice to cool down for some time, and now I'm going to go ahead and strain out, and I'm going to be using my wig cup to strain out. So this is how the treatment is looking after straining out. Now I'm going to go ahead and add the chebe liquid we kept aside. I already saved the chebe particles of the camera. You can't use it like that when it has particles because they will be left on your hair and it can be difficult during detangling. Now I'm going to go ahead and transfer the treatment into this applicator bottle. The treatment is a little bit light, so I have to transfer to the applicator bottle for easy application. You can also make your treatment to be a bit thicker if you want. So guys, now the treatment is ready. Let's proceed into the application. First, I will start by hydrating my hair with water. So before you start applying the treatment, you need to make sure that your hair is well hydrated so that the treatment can penetrate easily to the hair strands. After spraying water, I detangled that section with fingers just to make sure that there is no tangles, and then after that, I apply the treatment to that section. As usual, I like working in sections. Working in section will help the application process much faster, and also you won't have many tangles during the application. So guys, I noticed that the treatment became more light and watery. I think it's because I left it stay longer. Like I said earlier, you can make it look a bit thicker if you're not ready for mess and the drippings. The treatment is amazing. It makes my hair soft and it also detangles very fast. You guys need to try out this. Using this treatment once a week will help make your hair super soft and manageable. The three ingredients are great for providing enough slip to your hair, especially if you experience breakage and a lot of shedding when detangling or when washing your hair. The treatment is also amazing for thickening your hair, moisturizing it as well as strengthening it from the roots. So you can use this treatment before washing your hair with shampoo. I found it working best before shampooing your hair because it will help minimize breakage and your hair will be tangle free. Use the treatment once a week or twice a month for best result. When I'm done with the application, I will cover my hair with a plastic bag or a shower cap for 1 hour, and after 1 hour, I'll go ahead and wash it out with a shampoo and a conditioner. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if so, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet subscribed. I will see you in the next. Bye.